There was a time my heart was drowning in quiet pain, and nobody knew. I battled the whispers and the restlessness of my heart and mind. I was scared to move, to choose, but then I'm learning to become. I took one breath, then another, learning to live again slowly. Letting go isn't easy, but holding on to the hurt can be very destructive. So Grace stepped in, holding me together in ways I can't explain. I'm learning to choose myself again, tenderly, bravely. Freedom is not loud. It doesn't come with noise. It comes quietly, like the morning light on the water. Now, I'm becoming whole again. And God is helping me every single day.